Hello children, this is your Velankani teacher back for our next session. Children, today we are going to learn the next letter. After letter N, what do we say? N, O. You say O. Yes, so today we are going to learn the letter O. Yes, so let's revise once. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Okay, so today we are going to learn the next letter after N, that is O. Okay, so let's begin with it. First, teacher will tell you the sound of this letter. What is the sound of this letter, you know? O says O. And one more sound is there for O. O says O itself. Okay, the letter sound itself. Okay, for some objects we use O sound and for some object we use O sound. Okay, O says O. O, O, orange. Yes, you like, no? Orange, you like to eat orange? Yes, and even orange color is there. O says O, 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 orange. Yes. And what else? Anyone? O for owl. Yes. O for owl. Very good. And O for octopus. Yes, very good. Smart children. So, these all objects are there related to letter O. Now, we will see first some of the objects related to this letter O, and then we'll start writing this letter. Okay, children? Let's begin this letter O with the phonetic sound. Children, this is your capital letter O, small letter O. O says O and O says O. Okay, O is having two sounds. For some, we use O sound and some we use O sound. Okay, O says O, O, orange. O says O, onion. O says O, octopus. O says O, owl. O says O, ox. O says O, ostrich. O says O, organ. O says O, oval. Okay, children, now let's write letter O. Write today's date. Today's date is 29-1111-2121 and write C.W. Children, now let's write the letter O. Keep your pencil on this dot and do the tracing over it round like this and come again to the same point. So this is your letter O. O says O, orange. Okay, just you have to trace over it, children. Keep your pencil on the dot and just join the dots given over here. Trace properly. Yes, very good. Which letter you are writing? Letter O. O says O, orange. O says O, octopus. So come on, finish your tracing, children, till here. 3 lines we have to do the tracing. Then we will move to the next line. Okay? Come on. All my children are doing it so well. Very good, children. Now, come to the 4th line. After you finish this tracing, keep your pencil on this dot. Same way, you have to just make a round like this. Okay? Just make a round like this and come to the same point. Okay? From where you started, just join it again. Now, we are going to draw an object for letter O. Let's see what it is. make a standing line, come down, go up, again down like M. Okay, then make a circle like this. Okay, join it both the way and put some dots. So what is this? Do you know? O for orange. Yes, isn't it simple? O for orange. Yes, so O says o orange. So same way you have to do again. Now see, keep your pencil on the blue line, go up, standing line, slanting line, up, slanting line, down. So this is your M, and again from one end to other end you have to join it and put some dot. Yes, and that is your orange. Orange is a very healthy fruit. Yes, O says o orange, and O says o octopus. Yes, there are so many objects from O. Can you tell me some? O for organ. Yes, very good. And there is one more bird from O. Who can tell me? Just now teacher has taught you. O for octopus. Yes, very good children. And what else you think of? Think. What teacher has taught you? O for? O for? Yes? Oval shape. Yes. O for oval. Very good children. And what else? O for owl. Yes, very good. Very nice children. You all are doing it so nicely children. Very good. Keep it up. Now again see how orange we are making it. Like we are making a small M between red and blue line. Then we are joining both the ends. That is as simple, right? Isn't it simple children? Very good. All my children are doing it so well. So O says orange. Come on, do it children. Yes, exactly. Very good. O says orange. Very good. Children, today we are going to write the next page of letter O. Today's date is 30-11-2121. Then write C.W. Okay children, we just have written yesterday letter O. O says O. O says O. So how we have to write? Keep your pencil over here and just take a round like this. This is your O for owl. O says O. Orange. Yesterday we had learned, my children. Yes. So just you have to join the dots and complete your tracing line. Okay. Just join the dots and complete your tracing line. Okay. Start from the dot and then come again to the same dot. Now come over here after you finish the tracing, same way like this, then go up and join it like this, go up and join it. Now today we are going to learn the next object for O. O says oval. So we are going to learn oval shape. So how we are going to do? Keep your pencil between this two blue line and just take a oval shape like this. Okay, you have to just make a oval shape. So this is your O. Okay, very nicely and slowly you have to do it. Okay, again keep your pencil over here between this blue line and make a oval shape. Okay, like this. O says oval. O for octopus. Okay, O for octopus. And O for orange. Yes, O for orange. Fruit also. O for orange color also. Okay children. And O for oval shape we are learning today. Okay. O for owl. O for octopus. Okay, like this. Slowly, nicely you have to draw an oval shape. Okay, slowly, nicely from the dot, come again to the same dot like this. Okay, and make a oval shape like this. O says O, orange. O says O, owl. And O says O, oval. So which shape are we making? We are making oval shape. O for oval. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed today's session learning the next letter of ours, that is letter O, with the phonetic sound, and you have learned how you have to write it. Okay, thank you so much for today. See you all in your next session. Till then, you have to take care of yourself. Be safe at home. Bye-bye all of you.